Welcome back to Forrest Speed and Outdoors. Today we're working on the 07 Sierra 50cc, a little mini bike I've got, putting an 88cc big bore kit on it, and as you can see, it's already on it. Well, that's because my other intro died. So y'all will be watching that video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get right to it. Right here, I'm about to drain the oil out of these. With these bikes, they use a 17mm wrench to drain that out, so I'll be wrenching that off here in just a second. But got the carburetor off, and yeah, just about ready to take the head out of it, so I'll be back with that off. All right guys, so we got the head off. For those of y'all who want to do this at home, fun fact, if you air down the tire, you can get the head off of the bike. If not, it makes a little bit of a pain in the butt, but so far things have been going good. As you can see right here, it's all kind of carboned up, so I'll probably try to clean that up here in a little bit. But for the most part, yeah, the, the piston right there is pretty dirty too. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the cylinder off as well, and then once I do that, I'll pull the BBR stuff out and we'll throw that on. As well as, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this bike is getting a new cam. There's a new camshaft that's going in up here, so hopefully it makes a little bit of a lope, you know. So I'll get that done and then I'll be right back. So now we've got the cylinder wall off. There's the piston and the sorry, I can't think of the name. The piston and the rod. Here's the old head. You can see things a little bit bad. Not the best, you know. Definitely this bike actually was locked up whenever I got it. It was sitting outside, no carburetor on it, so instead of this little pile of trash, we get a lot of gaskets and some stickers. Now, here we go. Here's the 88cc big bore kit versus the 50cc big bore kit, or big bore, the 50cc stock. So here's the big bore versus the stock. You can see it's got bigger cooling fins, stuff like that. The piston also is quite a bit larger than this little itty bitty thing. So gonna throw that on. In here is the new camshaft. So once we get that, put the piston rings back in it, get this thing looking mean. So I'll get to it, taking the piston off and putting the new one on, and I'll get back to y'all when that's finished. Alright guys, so as you can see, got the piston head off. Here's the comparison between the original piston and the new one. It's quite a difference. But yeah, so we're gonna, this thing's not worth anything anymore. Yeah, that goes back in there. Sorry. But so we're going to I'm gonna go take that out, clean my hands off a little bit so there's no grit on it, and then throw that onto there, and then start putting the gaskets back on and doing all that. So let's get going. Alright, so after about 15-20 minutes of fighting the piston and trying to get it to go on and having issues with the rings, it is officially in there. Well, Jesus, it is in there. It's in the cylinder. So now I'm just gonna grab the head, put the cam in there, put all the gaskets on this, and it should fire right up. So I'll be right back with that. I got the camshaft out, this little thing right here. Let's pull out the new camshaft and we'll see how this compares to the old one. So here's the old one. We'll throw that over there just to keep all this stuff from blowing away. It's a bit windy. It's been kind of annoying trying to get all that stuff in there. Hold on. Oh, fancy. Okay. So we got this. This is supposedly a BBR special motocross grind. It looks stock. No, wait. No. That ain't stock. So over here, you can see that the lobe is a little bit wider on the top. Same on this one. I think they're close to the same. They're no bigger in lift, but this definitely has a wider duration on both. So that means whenever I get this thing running here, probably 5-10 minutes, but whenever I have this running at the end of the video for y'all, it'll be a fun thing to ride. So I'll get back to putting this into the head, and then putting the head on there, setting the timing up, and then we'll be good to go. So I'll see y'all whenever the head is back on. Alright guys, so I got the head back on the bike. I've got the timing lined up, actually perfect, surprisingly. But yeah, so I just gotta throw the covers back on, clean up a couple of the surfaces, throw some new gaskets on. We should be good to go, and I will be firing up, so I'll get back to y'all whenever I have it fully assembled again, except for seat and stuff. I'll have it back to y'all whenever I have the motor fully assembled again, so be right back. Alright guys, so I got everything hooked back up to it. It's all ready to go. I gave it a quick run, just tuned it, make sure it was all good. God, that is hot. So yeah, should be good to go. I'll fire up for y'all real quick. Y'all get to see how she sounds. She is quite the bike. Too tall for this. Oop. That didn't happen. Yeah. On, back up. Alright. If y'all enjoyed the video again, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time when, hold on, I gotta turn the bike around. Woo! When I put new sprockets and a chain and an air filter on this thing. So, hope y'all enjoyed. See you later.